Mr. Bishop here. Let me get this out of my face. Week 2, Activity 1, Secret Codon. You can find, if you go to your Google site, sites.google.com, and then you go to Week 2 and you go to Activity 1 here, you should find a link to this. Click this image twice and then click this arrow icon. It'll pop open this link to a secret codon. So last week we built a model of a virus. Many of you said that the string inside that virus is DNA or RNA, and I agree with you. So this week we're going to be making a closer up model of that DNA. So we're zooming in. This instruction does call for beads and string. If you don't have beads and string, you can do Fruit Loops and pasta. You could do Play-Doh and I guess you could just do Play-Doh on like a card or something. You could do maybe get some M&Ms and put together a sequence of M&Ms. But you are using the color of each bead. So you want to get red, yellow, blue, green beads, Fruit Loops, M&Ms. And each one corresponds to a different DNA base. Adenine is red, thymine is yellow, cytosine is blue, and guanine is green. This picture up above uses this color code. So if you don't have colored beads, you can always use this color code to reference if you want to build a model. If you just got like Cheerios, maybe you could use some food coloring and make some different colored Cheerios. If you got that at home, be another way to hack it. And then this is the sequence. This is by the colors. So red is for yellow, or red is for red, yellow is for yellow, G is for green, G is for green, blue, blue, red, green. And so as you use this code to make the sequence of DNA bases, you're then going to use what's known as a codon table, and that is the sequence of 3 nucleotide bases that codes for a specific amino acid. And I've attached this codon table, and this can be a little bit challenging. I will make sure I post a video on maybe using a codon table to help you do that. A little guest appearance by Shay and Coco. Yes, Coco. Coco likes sequencing DNA. The first base is over here to the left. So if my first nucleotide base was T, my second was C, and then my third would be somewhere in this box. So TCT would tell me serine. Actually, all of these sequences tell me serine. So our DNA, our code for our proteins is a little bit redundant. That is as a fail-safe guard in reducing mutations. But once you decode in the codons, then you need to decode the rest of the message in the protein sequence. And so the protein sequence will have a message in it. And so, a little fun brain teaser for you as you build your model and decode a secret message. Once you have created your model, here's more links to, the codon table. And then again, insert an image, take a photo of it. We didn't seem to have too much trouble posting photos of our virus models, but take a photo of that image, insert it here. If you can't figure out how to insert this, you can delete this, and then you can add an image back in. And then I could, here, use my DNA model. Boom, and then here's a fancy, I think we have a less fancier version in our class, but that would be a DNA model. All I'm asking for you to do is your string and Fruit Loops, Cheerios, use some food coloring, be creative, and that will be week 2, activity 1. And then here we'll just go to the discussion board. Once you have completed your model, you should be able to go to the week 2 activity 1 discussion board and give it a second to load. Make sure when you are doing this, you are signed in your student account. Sometimes when we're in our personal accounts on Google, Gmail, it does not work. So make sure you're in your sandy.net account. I made sure this document could only be accessed by San Diego Unified. What suggestion do you have for improve? There, it looks like Jaden did some glue and some he had some beads. So, and let's see who else, if we have any other models posted. Yeah, there's Ilya's, and looks like he got some Fruit Loops. Maybe we can answer with a little bit more than a single word, a protein. Maybe some full sentences, Ilya. And then Akram is got, I'm not sure what, it's loading. Once you've built your model, you should be able to post those. Oh, there's Akram's. It looks like he's got some string and some beads. There you go. Perfect. Great job, guys. Ilya, work on those sentences. And that will be week 2, activity 1.